Good morning, besties. You're gonna be so proud of me. It's literally Sunday and I need to do a massage. And it's raining as fuck. And I am on my way to the gym. So I will check in with you later. Oh, welcome back to the vlog, by the way. Hello everyone. I'm back from the gym. I'm with my dad.
Me too. Why are you zooming in on me?
So they can see your beautiful face, father. We literally just had a fight over the fact that my dad says I've never told him about a vlog or the concept of a vlog when I literally have video footage evidence of me telling him about the vlog.
Listen, yes. Leah. If I appear in your vlogs...
No, you're not getting royalties.
No, no, you're not listening to what I'm saying. If I appear in your vlogs, your rating is gonna shoot up.
I don't know if you know this, but I have a famous father. You should go check out his recent movie, Fast and the Furious 9.
Yes. Fast and the Furious 9.
Okay, Dad, I'm busy editing. Don't you want to make me some tea, please?
Yeah, just now.
Really? Thanks.
I'll just, yeah.
Welcome back to the vlog, by the way. Hey guys, happy Monday. I just got back from, I didn't just get back from the gym. I got back from the gym and then I showered and then had breakfast and a whole bunch of things. And now I am sitting in my gown contemplating what to do with my day. I was gonna go to the mall to go and just like buy stuff because I have a very strong urge to spend money, but on things I don't need, so that's not good. I mean, I don't not need them, but like it's gloomy weather and I just don't feel like doing anything and I'm really fucking tired, and the gym was really full today and I didn't enjoy it because there was so many people. I have a busy-ish week coming up. I'll be able to do some stuff and show you some cool stuff, but for now it's just me in my toothpaste filled gown. That's disgusting. You can't see that. Okay, I'll chat to you guys later. It's hot. It's very hot. I didn't feel like coffee. No, that's a lie. I did feel like coffee, but I was too lazy to make coffee. So green tea it is. Hashtag health. Hey guys. So how do you put this softer? Oh, there. So I was just on my way to get a coffee, and then Gilbert decided he was gonna come with me. Yay! Oh, what is going on with my hair? Because I was literally falling asleep. I was literally falling asleep while editing a video. Maybe it's because I didn't have coffee this morning, I don't know. And I just like I didn't overexert myself at the gym, I'm lying. Oh, that's very bright. So yeah, we're gonna go grab a coffee and I'm very keen. So the closest Seattle is at a Caltex, like at a gas station here. So that's the one I was gonna go to. So I just told my dad to take me there because yeah, I'm dying for a coffee. So flat white with soy milk, please. Also, can we take a moment for my chef shoes?
We're gonna take the free one.
Thank you.
2 or 3 cups.
That's so good. How's your hot chocolate, Dad?
I put away.
Very necessary.
But
this was a good call.
you know,
But Seattle is...
no, it's got the beans and whatever. Huh?
Yeah, like the bean grinder. Please sponsor me. This is not sponsored, I wish it was.
What sponsor?
Seattle. Sponsored by you, not sponsored by Seattle. Lol, if you guys could see my tripod right now, I literally have it wrapped around the steering wheel because why is it that every single car does not have a freaking flat surface that I can just put my camera on? Because seriously, this is getting annoying. Fuck, this coffee was so necessary. I was literally editing the video that's going up last week for you, and I was like falling asleep, and I was just like, I don't know if it's because I didn't have coffee this morning and like didn't start my day off with coffee, but like I could feel it. I got a coffee. I've never been to that Seattle before, but now that I know it's there, that's dangerous because now I feel like I'm gonna be making more trips than I should be because it's so fucking good. Wrapped around your steering wheel.
The place is closed.
Oh no! Dad went to go check if there was sushi, but
I went there.
did you check the sushi?
But there's only 3. I mean, like, that's not enough.
3?
3.
3 little like makis.
What about Roger and Margaret?
Oh, I don't know. I think Margaret's gonna make something. She said she wanted to make like a cauliflower mac and cheese.
So,
Something like that.
so what do you think? Should I get?
I don't know if she started making it already though. Ah, it's fine. We can get it another day. Because I know she said she wanted to make that, so we can always get it like tomorrow or something. And there'll be more because, you know. This coffee was so good. Hey guys, okay, so I've managed to find a way to put my camera, I'm just gonna ignore that, in my car. Don't know if it's gonna stay. My keys, I haven't started driving yet. I'm in a rush. I have a lot of things to do today. Not a lot of things, but oh shit, my sister's boyfriend parked behind me. I've just been doing a lot of things and I just have a lot of things that I need to do still. So I'm stressing a little bit. I told Calista I'd be at her, oh that's where I'm going by the way. I told her I'd be there at 1:15. It is now 1:13 and she lives 10 minutes away from me. So yeah, that's what's happening. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna make it. Oh god, guys, I literally don't know how I passed my drivers, like first time even. Who would have thought? Who would have fucking thought? Not me. My sister's actually doing her drivers soonish, and oh my god, this camera is giving me anxiety. My sister's doing her drivers soonish, and it's very fucking hot right now. Like it wasn't this hot 5 seconds ago, maybe. It's hot, and I'm not wearing anything under here, so I can't really take it off. I mean, I'm wearing a bra, but you can't really, you know, public indecency and stuff. Oh yes, my sister's doing her drivers, and she's like very confident, and I literally like wasn't confident at all. I went through like fucking 3 driving instructors, and it was just a very chaotic situation. I will literally laugh if I pass first time and she doesn't. Where am I going? I went the wrong way.
Okay.
My camera's still fine, touch wood. So I'm on my way to Calista. She wants me to help her with like her one assignment that she needs to do for varsity, because she has to make like a reel or like a video, and that is my specialty because I do this in my fucking free time for fun. That's what we're gonna do. Also, I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. Like it's been over like a month. Hey guys, we're back. I'm back with Calista.
Hello.
I feel like you're probably the person who's been in my vlogs the most.
The whole time.
Yeah.
I feel the same.
We can take a thumbnail photo. How cute are these little fields?
Beautiful.
Stunning. So we are at the canola fields now.
The location.
The location, besties. The light is very fucking bright. Oh my god, my eyes. Oh, that's so pretty.
Gorgeous.
So cute. We're gonna film some stuff for her assignment. So we are at our last location now. Well, not last, our second location, but it's the last one. We're trying to get like an escalator, elevator shot like for this, like fucking video. And it is so hard. And the people here, just the like, you know, the Chinese, they're just not having it. Sorry if this is very loud. I don't know if you can hear me. It looks so fucking extra. It's hilarious. It's not hilarious, like she looks bummed. But like, we're like, you know, in a grocery store center. We're gonna go and get like a matcha after this, and she's like, yeah, I'm just gonna stay in my outfit. Like, what?
Oh my word, they're gonna go insane.
We love to see it. Oh my god, wish us luck. That was chaotic. People don't give a fuck if you're trying to film anything. They literally just walk. We're gonna go get a very well-deserved matcha now, maybe even a snack, I don't know. That's that.
It's on you about 50 times. Peace out. These people are gonna be like,
Why the fuck are they
now with
still
normal clothes on.
literally like, why is she still wearing the heels? We haven't
It's
even
been sitting here the whole time.
I know. lose my shit at my hair if I have to just deal with this. Hey guys, yo, I didn't vlog today at all. I need to get my hair cut ASAP Rocky because I just can't anymore. So today was so hectic. I was planning on filming and vlogging because I was planning on also going on a promenade walk and doing some cute things, but everything just happened so quickly and everything just took longer than it needed to. It was a good day. I got my nails done. How freaking cute are they? So that's the one side, on the other side. I'm like manifesting spring with my nails. After that I had an interview at this place and that took longer than I also expected it to take, and then I had to go fetch a package and I was just so knackered as well. Like I was so tired. I actually want to show you the package. I'll show you tomorrow. It's like a CBD infused water. I'm very keen to drink it. It doesn't have any THC in it, but it's supposed to like relieve stress and anxiety and back pains and body aches and help with sleeping, tick, literally everything that I need. And then I went to a hot yoga class and holy fuck, I've never sweated so much in my life. I mean, I feel like we all went through that phase in lockdown where we were doing like, you know, yoga, Chloe Ting's workouts, like those types of things. But doing a home yoga flow and doing like a class is way different. And like, I mean, I would still say like I'm on a beginner level. Like I've only done yoga like a few times, and this was definitely like an intermediate to advanced class, and it was heated, so it was in like a 40-degree studio. I don't know if it was 40 degrees, maybe it was 35, but like definitely between 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. I have never sweat so much in my entire freaking life. Like I had sweat dripping off my nose, I had sweat dripping off my forehead, I had sweat in my sweat like when I'm at the gym, but I don't like sweat like dripping off my arms, dripping off my nose, dripping off. Like, it takes a lot for me to sweat. Like I'm not a big sweater. I have never in my life sweat so much. So that was really hectic. So yeah, that's what happened today. And like when I got home, I just showered. I feel so zen, and like I was just gonna make a cup of tea. I'm gonna unwind, read my book, and yeah, I just take it easy. It was a really good day. I'm feeling really good this month, and like just I feel like a lot of things are happening for me, which is amazing because it's been a fucking tough year and everything's just really like looking up, which I'm so grateful for. Like August is like full of abundance since I've started like working out and stuff. I hate how fucking annoying it is, but it really has like improved my mental health and made me just feel that much better. And I just feel like because I'm just feeling a lot more mentally stable and like healthier, drastically just impacted everything. Like just like, and I'm just really glad I'm on that vibe, and I just want to stay on this like great vibe of having a balanced life and just attracting things in abundance. I don't know what even is in this vlog. I don't even know. And now I'm rambling. This clip is like 7 minutes long. No, 8 minutes. Good night guys, and I hope you slept well. Hello friends. It is indeed the next day, or the next evening rather, and yes, I am in fact in the exact same thing that you saw me in the previous clip, which was yesterday. Today was really busy. I had to go fetch a lot of stuff. I did Pilates after the hot yoga. I did Pilates this morning. I don't know who the fuck I think I am. I got my period. It might be TMI, but it's fucking sore, and I have random spurts of pain shooting through my... Anyway, so yeah, I did that, but I will tattoo a little bit tomorrow morning because I'm not gonna go to gym tomorrow morning. See, my body is fucking stiff from that hot yoga. Like, it was so hectic. Okay, night guys. Did you get it right? I wasn't gonna try and make this look cute. morning, guys. It is Friday today, and I just felt like oats. I didn't go to the gym this morning because I just felt like my body needed a break after that hot yoga. It was quite windy. Today I'm literally just gonna take it, not take it easy, I'm lying. I have a meeting at 1, something exciting that I don't know if I can talk about. But up until then, I'm just gonna literally sit in the sun and read my book because I haven't done that in so long. And I just find it difficult to relax sometimes. So I feel like I need this. My favorite place to read my book is to lie on this table and sit in the sun. But it's a bit cold, like it's not warm sunny, it's like icy sunny, and I'm wearing 1 layer, so I'm probably gonna go put my gown on. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. If you're new, please like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on my post notifications if you want to see more vlog and lifestyle content. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all those lovely places. And I will see you in the next vlog. Bye, guys.